hit that notification bell. What's up, guys? We're back with another video. I am doing a house tour, and yeah, so let's get on with the video. Well, this is where I play Fortnite and do some of my videos. The living room. Yep, that's me. And then I play Fortnite right here. I have one couch, two couch. And then I have my TV that's not on. Then I have the pantry that has all of our snacks. So, my favorite place. And then, here's one of my cats. Well, there's my cat. Then we have where we eat, kitchen table, and then we have our kitchen. And then, if you walk down right here, we have where we put our shoes. And then, it's a bathroom. There's one bathroom. And then we have our shower, our laundry stuff. And we have our garage. And then we have our backyard. And then we have a pool right there. Yeah, it's a pretty big yard. Then we have it upstairs. Then we have another bathroom. It's my mom's bathroom. Yes. Then we have my mom and dad's bedroom. Big bed. Then they got their TV. Was that good looking? And then we have that. Hi! Then we have that. There's the mirror again. Have that. That. So yeah, pretty big. Then we have our toy closet and stuff. Yeah, whatever it is. Then we have soon to be gaming room. We have my hamster. Look at him just chilling right there. I see him. If you can see him, he's right in that car. Hold on there. If you can see him. He's right there. There he is. He's right there right there sitting. He's so funny. Then we have like that. And then we have that thing. My canvas. We have almost all my Legos and paintings. Then we have my Hot Wheel cars. Yeah, it looks like tracks, but they're not. Then this is where my TV is gonna go. Right here. Right there. That's where it's gonna go. Then I have my toy place thing, where all my toys are. And now that's room. And my favorite, almost my favorite room, my room. So I have my closet, my shoes, my baseball bag, almost all, barely any of my stuffed animals. I have Bakugans. I can't show you all the Bakugans because There's stuff in another video I'm going to show you. Then I have a bowling pin for my birthday. And then we have a truck. Then we have my iPad. If you give me 1 second. Okay. Here is my iPad. I don't really play on it because it's kind of broken. I have my TV. I watch TV with. I have this. I have a backpack. There's that. And then we have the downstairs. I can't show you that because the TV's on. So, see ya. See you next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Ding, ding, ding. And thanks for being awesome. Bye.